any director making their debut, please cast Prithviraj Sukumaran. So we have shot this film across live locations, and as an actor, it's a blessing. I wanted people to cry at the end of the film rather than come out thumping their chest. I have become better because of what Kajol has done in the scene.
हाय, मेरा नाम भारती है और आप देख रहे हैं दैनिक भास्कर ऐप। इस वक्त मेरे साथ फिल्म सरजमी के एक्टर पृथ्वीराज सुकुमारन और डायरेक्टर कायोज ईरानी। हाय, मेरा नाम भारती है और आप देख रहे हैं दैनिक भास्कर ऐप। इस वक्त मेरे साथ फिल्म सरजमी के एक्टर पृथ्वीराज सुकुमारन और डायरेक्टर कायोज ईरानी मौजूद हैं। आप दोनों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सबसे पहले आपसे शुरू करते हैं कि किरदार में आपको क्या खास लगा वो बताइए।
Same reason, because I like the script. Every film that you say yes to as an actor or a filmmaker or a producer, basically is because the story appeals to you. Not because the story appeals to you as an actor, not because the story appeals to you as a filmmaker, not because the story appeals to you as a producer. The story appeals to you as a film lover, as part of an audience, you know. And I really thought that Sarsamin has a very interesting, very complex, very intricate human story set against a spectacular backdrop of patriotism, nation, insurgency, Kashmir, and you know, I thought it had the potential to be a wonderful piece of cinema. And I also truly believed that as an actor, it gave me a lot of meat to really go into the depth of a character, and you know, that's something that excites you as an actor. And of course, the fact that Karan was producing it. At that point in time, I didn't know Kayose. Then later we met, and I was glad, I still am, that he got to direct this film, because what you're going to see on 25th is completely his vision. And I genuinely believe that this could be one of the more impressive debuts from a filmmaker.
कायोजी, पहले तो आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई कि आप डेब्यू कर रहे हैं। फैमिली और नेशन बढ़िया कॉन्सेप्ट है। आपने अपने डेब्यू के लिए ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही क्यों पिक किया?
तो एक्चुअली जब मेरा जो what I was feeling in the film was not the bigness, it was the tear. I wanted people to cry at the end of the film rather than come out thumping their chest. So जब ये and when it comes to family, I feel that when it comes to any film, I feel कि जो बड़ा कैनवस है आप देखते रहोगे, but how do you connect with the film? How do you make it personal to yourself? और वो है family, and वो है emotion. तो क्या है कि ये film actually is an emotional thriller, and emotion is the first word. तो वो मुझे concept बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, and I was ready to do this film at midpoint.
स्टार कास्ट चुनने का प्रोसेस क्या था? कैसे तय हुआ कि पृथ्वी करेंगे, काजोल होंगी और इब्राहिम?
इब्राहिम से शुरू करता हूँ। मैं एक्चुअली रॉकी और रानी के सेट पे गया था दिल्ली में, और इब्राहिम वो सेट पे एक एडी था, और मैं मॉनिटर पे बैठ रहा था, और मैं मॉनिटर में देखा और वो एक्चुअली स्टैंड इन कर रहा था फॉर रणवीर सर। और मैं जब देखा उनको, मैं बोला कैमरा जस्ट लव्स हिम, उसका कुछ स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस है, और आई कुडंट गेट माई आइज ऑफ हिम। तो और वो दिन मैं लंच कर रहा था करण सर के साथ, और मैंने ऐसे बात की, एंड ही सेड कायो आई फील द सेम वे। तो वो था पृथ्वी सर के लिए। एक्चुअली करण सर ने मुझे फ़ोन किया और कहा कि वाई कांट यू कंसिडर पृथ्वी सर, एंड आई सेड ओ ओके, एंड आई वेंट एंड आई डिड रिसर्च, एंड देयर वाज इट्स अ नो ब्रेनर कि आई मीन हाउ कैन आई नॉट वांट टू वर्क विद पृथ्वी सर, एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द डिसीजंस दैट हैज़ शेप्ड दिस फिल्म, because sir has genuinely brought so much to the film. वो बोलेंगे कि ये impressive debut जो भी है उनकी भी फिल्म है एज ए डायरेक्टर। सच में बोल रहा हूँ, वो मेरे साथ बैठे हैं, और वो मैं एक बात बोलूँगा कि जब भी मैंने सर को कुछ भी भेजा है, गाना का भेजा है, यूनिट भेजा है, टीज़र ट्रेलर, कब से मैं फीडबैक लेता हूँ उनसे, और हर फीडबैक जो भी उन्होंने मुझे दिया है ना, वो उनके बारे में कभी नहीं रहा है। It has always been about something else. So I know that he is always looking at the film like that, and he's part of that process. So Prithviraj sir is the blessing that I required on this film. And Kajol ma'am was, I just wanted her. और मैं गया उनके पास, मैं पृथ्वी सर को बोला था कि सर मैं आज जा रहा हूँ, जस्ट क्रॉस योर फिंगर्स टोज जो भी है, मैं जा रहा हूँ। मैंने नरेशन की, उन्होंने मुझे स्माइल दिया, थैंक यू बोला, एंड आई लेफ्ट। मुझे लगा ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, उनको पसंद ही नहीं आया, मैं घर पहुंचा, करण सर का फ़ोन आया, बोला उनको इतना पसंद आया, शी इज़ ऑन, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह ओके।
मतलब प्रोसेस बहुत ही स्मूथ रहा। ओके, ट्रेलर में इब्राहिम का एक भी डायलॉग नहीं है, लेकिन इम्पैक्ट बहुत पावरफुल है। तो ये क्या स्ट्रैटेजी थी इसके पीछे?
ये बिल्कुल कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है। आप फिल्म भी देखोगे तो मैंने, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग ने उनका डायलॉग काटा है, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग ने कुछ प्रोटेक्ट किया है। मैं जानता हूँ आप व्हाई यू आस्किंग दिस, बट द थिंग इज कि एज द कैरेक्टर, टू क्रिएट दैट सस्पेंस एंड टू क्रिएट मोर डिसबिलीफ फॉर हिम, इट वर्क्स बेटर फॉर द कैरेक्टर इन साइलेंसेस। आप पृथ्वी सर को भी पूछ सकते हो, जब उन्होंने पहले फिल्म पढ़ी थी, और दिस इज बिफोर वी हैड कास्ट इब्राहिम, इससे भी कम डायलॉग है।
Yeah, lot
और
less.
इससे अभी तो हम लोग ने ऐड किया है उनका डायलॉग। तो क्या है कि आई वांटेड दैट मेनिस टू बी देयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हिज आईज। ऐसा कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है, बिकॉज इवन द ट्रेलर कट इज नॉट अ कन्वेंशनल ट्रेलर कट, इट्स हल्का सा, इट्स अ डिफरेंट टेक ऑन लाइक अ ट्रेलर। तो ऐसा नहीं, जब मैंने यूट्यूब कमेंट में पढ़ा कि अच्छा इसका डायलॉग नहीं है, तभी मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ कि अच्छा डायलॉग नहीं है, बिकॉज आई डोंट फील ज़रूरत थी। आई फील दैट हिज suspense was created with his eyes.
Actually, there's a lot that he says in the film, but there is very little of it you can give away in a trailer.
Yeah.
That is a problem. Yeah.
अच्छा, आपने कमेंट की बात की, तो जैसे यूट्यूब के ट्रेलर पे आपने देखा होगा कि सर आपके लिए जैसे कमेंट आ रहे हैं कि आपका रोल उनको लूसीफर की याद दिला रहा है। काजोल के लिए था कि फना वाइब्स आ रही है। हाँ, काजोल के लिए था कि फना वाइब्स आ रही है, और ओवरऑल पिक्चर बहुत सारे ऑडियंस को ये लग रहा है कि मिशन कश्मीर की वाइब है। इस पे आप लोगों का क्या टेक है?
No, all three are great films. At least I would like to believe so because of the love the audience gave to all these three films. So maybe.
Yeah, मतलब ऐसा हर फिल्म जब रिलीज होती है तो कुछ ना कुछ कंपैरिजन तो होता ही रहता है। दिस इज एन ओरिजिनल पीस ऑफ वर्क, and whatever comparison is there, I would be very grateful to reach these films' heights. It is not even close to any of that.
Yeah, I was about
It is not even close to
तो
any of that.
बेसिकली ऑडियंस सरप्राइज होने वाली है।
No, if you're expecting any of these films, you're probably going to be disappointed.
Yeah.
ओके ओके सर, काजोल के साथ काम करने का अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताइए।
It was wonderful. I absolutely loved the time I spent with her on sets as an actor and also as a person. I was just telling someone that, Kajol is like a constant caffeine overdose on sets in a really nice way, and she's fantastic. Yeah, I mean, she's a gifted artist. You read a scene and you expect the happiest moments as an actor is that when you realize that you are better in this scene because of what your co-actor is doing, and that's the highest compliment any actor can give a colleague. And I truly believe that there are multiple moments in Sarzameen where I have become better because of what Kajol has done in the scene, and absolute thanks to her. And you realize why she's still up there and so good. Because her process as an actor is so instinctive, she's so naturally gifted that it just comes to her. And I'm so thankful that I had the opportunity to work with her. And Sarzameen will also remain always special for the fact that I got to collaborate with Kajol for the first time.
ओके, भास्कर इंटरव्यू में आपने एक बार कहा था कि एज ए डायरेक्टर आपको रियल लोकेशन पे शूट करना बहुत पसंद है।
Yeah.
ओके, तो जैसे मैंने आपकी गोट लाइफ देखी है, उसमें जो आपकी एक्टिंग है वो तो बहुत कमाल है ही, लेकिन जो रेगिस्तान में शूट का पूरा एक चंक है, फिर आप इस फिल्म के लिए मनाली में रियल लोकेशन पे शूट कर रहे हो, तो एज ए एक्टर कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है रियल लोकेशन पे शूट करना?
As an actor,
Yeah.
I think as an actor, it is a blessing to be able to shoot in real locations. Like Sarzameen is not a film that's shot in studios or against green mats. Everything you see in Sarzameen is real, okay? I mean, we have actually gone to live locations. Kayose has put in the effort to find these places. Even like the climax is in a really challenging location, and that too is a real place. The exteriors of it really exist somewhere, I don't know, like some 2 hours north of Manali. In fact, thanks to Kayose, I actually found my locations for Lucifer 2, 3 locations for Lucifer 2 because of Sarzameen. Because I've been to Manali so many times and I did not even know these places existed. So thanks to him. So we have shot this film across live locations, and as an actor, it's a blessing because see, you see this poster, it was really cold. it was really freezing when we shot this. So when we say the dialogues, you see this, the smoke coming out of your mouth and all that, and that really helps you as an actor. It makes you look better as an actor. So as an actor, it's a blessing. As a filmmaker, as a filmmaking crew, of course, there are a lot of challenges. There are a lot of challenges, and full marks to Kayose, Negisa, and the entire team that the shoot was actually superbly planned, and except for a few days of bad weather, which is a given when you shoot in places like these, Sarzameen was actually one of the best planned, best executed shoots I've been part of.
ओके आप दोनों ही एक्टिंग से डायरेक्शन की तरफ आए हो, तो कितनी मदद मिलती है कि एक्टिंग करके डायरेक्शन में आ रहे हैं, या फिर इसके बाद एक्टिंग में जब आप जाते हो तो क्या दोनों पैरेलल है?
देखो, मैंने एक फिल्म की है एज एन एक्टर जो मैं एक्चुअली इतना मेरा दिल करना नहीं चाहता था, बिकॉज
ओके, तो आप हमेशा से
मैं
डायरेक्ट
हमेशा से मैं स्कूल से मेरा प्लान था कि मैं डायरेक्टर बनूंगा, और जब वो फिल्म की शूटिंग खत्म हुई थी तो आई मूव्ड बैक टू माय फोकस ऑन बिकमिंग अ डायरेक्टर. बट व्हाट आई लर्नड इज दैट सी व्हेन यू वॉक अ माइल इन समवन्स शूज, you learn what that person is going through. So I learned, and I'm very grateful for that experience, because I learned what Ibrahim was going through on his debut film, because I also did a debut as an actor. So I knew what he was going through. I knew I was like, why is it not like this? But when you're in front of the camera and you're in front of veterans, what it was. So it helped me. So but मेरा लाइफ का अरमान हमेशा रहा है कि मैं डायरेक्टर ही बनूंगा, एंड आई वांट टू स्टे दैट वे, क्योंकि चेयर पे बैठना, मॉनिटर के पीछे मेरा घर है, मैं वहाँ ही रहना चाहता हूँ.
तो जैसे पृथ्वी ने, आप भी डायरेक्शन से कोई ऐसी सलाह इनसे मिली?
No.
कोई?
सेट पे नहीं?
No.
एक
आप प्लीज बताएं,
एक,
एक दो
बस.
बताएं.
बस.
एक दो बताएं.
सर, पृथ्वी सर ये फिल्म के को डायरेक्टर है. प्रमोशन के टाइम पे, रिलीज के बाद उनको डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा. ये मुझे हर रोज हर सीन हम लोग ने डिस्कस की. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड लाइटिंग, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड शॉट डिविजन, बट मोर देन दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड मीनिंग ऑफ द सीन, एंड ही हैज ब्रॉट सो मच टू इट. And I mean this from my heart. And many times I'll say, sir, no, that's not in my brain. That's not in my brain. मैं चल के जाता था, जब तक मैं मॉनिटर पहुंच जाता था, मैं उनकी बात सुन लेता था. तो मैंने ऐसा क्रेडिट ले लिया. तो genuinely it was a boon to have him. It was a boon to have him, because he's never come and asked me to change anything for his character. Whatever he's asked, whatever suggestion has given for Ibrahim or the supporting cast, or for the camera or anything like that. So I genuinely, and I mean this from my heart, if any director is making their debut, please cast Prithviraj Sukumaran. Okay, so and then he can get his co-director, and it is, I realized it on the edit how helpful he was to me.
आपने एड फिल्म भी शूट किया, आप शॉर्ट फिल्म भी करके अब आप फिल्म कर रहे हो, कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है तीनों फॉर्मेट में काम करना?
It's very challenging, but it is a challenge I love. It is the happiest days of my life to be on a set. I mean,
Actually, which is most challenging?
a film,
Feature.
feature film, without a doubt. Feature film, because you have to just advertising now has taken a new turn in terms of what you have to, because you have to please a client and you have to please an agency and all of that. The short film actually is much easier, because there are no restraints on you कि जो आपके दिल में है आप वो बनाओ. Slow जा रहा है film, fast जा रहा है film, that is the format in a short. But the feature is definitely the most challenging, but if you take it up, you have to be up for the challenge. And I enjoyed, I always say कि my worst day on Sarzameen is better than any other day for me.
Wow. Okay.
So I am, and you know the worst day. But
अब आप बता भी दें क्या था वो?
no, I was just joking, honestly. No, actually, I had a very bad fall on the film. So I was on bed, and we had to stop the film for a while. Sir broke his knee, but that was not on Sarzameen, it was on another film. So we actually had a long delay. So just to keep the film garam as it keeps going and come back to the same character, that was a little difficult. I think more than that, sometimes it is, when you're directing, it's cutting out the noise, which is hard. And I felt it on the first 2-3 days कि पहले ही दिन में मनाली में हमारा एक कैमरा वाज नॉट वर्किंग, so that camera to go back, then this one says something, oh, and then we are and on day one it has rained and
All messed up.
shoot is cancelled. So if you cut out the noise, क्योंकि आप जानते हो कि audience ये सब नहीं जानना चाहता है, and they'll never know, they only know what is in that frame. So once I learned how to cut out that noise, I was much more comfortable.
ओके इस फिल्म में एक डायलॉग है, काजोल कहती है कि माँ चाहे जितना भी प्यार कर ले, बेटा बाप की तरह ही बनना चाहते हैं। रियल लाइफ में आप लोग कितना रिलेट करते हैं इस?
Completely.
Yeah, I mean, like I was telling another friend that I think every boy growing up, at least at one point in his life, would have idolized his father and wanted to be like his father. If not, the father has done something really wrong. Okay, if so, yeah. I mean, for me personally, it really hits home because I've always idolized my dad and I've always wanted to be like. I mean, it's like Kayose said, it's not because my father was an actor. It's not his stardom or his success or his fame. Or the wealth, nothing. You know what? As a son, what I truly idolized was his personality away from cinema. You know, he was an academician, and how he was at home, and you know his private persona. That to me was something I truly idolized, and it really hits home. I truly do think, and I love my mom. You know, growing up, I think I was more of a Amma's child, like mother's child. But I always idolized my dad, and I think that holds true for almost any boy growing up. Yeah.
No, the line comes from my heart. It is completely, I mean it 100%. It's not कि अरे dialogue अच्छा लगा डाल दो film में. It genuinely, this line comes from my heart. And as I said, I am also a full mama's boy, and I am a full mummy everything. But you aspire to be like your father, and genuinely, it is not the actor. It is not the star, it is not the fame, it is the man. I aspire to be the man he is in my home. And that is exactly what I told him when he saw the film. And I said, that line is for you.
ओके बमन सर जैसे डायरेक्शन में आए,
जी।
वो मेहता बॉयज़ लेके
जी।
आए, उन्होंने राइटिंग भी की है, तो
जी।
क्या आप भी राइटिंग की तरफ जाओगे? और इस फिल्म में
मैं-
उनसे कितनी सजेशन मिली आपको?
Right. See, देखो, I really believe that a director has to do everything and does not have to take credit for anything. कि when a script comes to you, you have to write the director's draft and the way you see it. When you're blocking a shot, you tell the cinematographer, I want the shot this way. Doesn't mean you take credit for it. So I feel that as a director, that is a process that is very important because that is your job. You're the only person on set who doesn't have a defined role. Actors are there to act, cinematographer is there to to shoot it. You're the only one who doesn't have a defined role. You just have to mold and shape it. So, sorry, there was a second part of the question. दूसरा आपने बमन सर का.
हाँ, जैसे वो
हाँ,
डायरेक्शन
तो
से राइटिंग की
I
तरफ
love writing. I love the writing process. I sat with the writers. Please give me zero credit. But I sat with the writers and said, no, should we do this? Should we do that? Because you're envisioning it on a canvas, so it helps them to mount the film, to block the page a particular way. So that is very important. I love that whole process.
डायरेक्शन में कोई मदद मिली उनसे?
अरे वो तो एक्चुअली ही इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म. उन्होंने एक कैमियो किया है फिल्म में.
ओके
3 या 4 दिन आई थिंक ही वाज विद अस. 3 या 4 दिन ही वाज विद अस. बहुत सताया मुझे.
एक आखिरी सवाल,
जी।
सेट की कोई यादगार बातें जो आप लोग शेयर करना चाहें, शूटिंग की, सेट की कोई ऐसी मेमोरेबल मोमेंट?
Auntie's food.
I just remember, it's just personal to me. I just remember shooting the climax of the film. I can't say what happens in it. Or it was Ibrahim hai, ma'am hai, sir hai, and I remember that day getting over, and I'm walking out of the thing, and I felt this happiness I've never felt. I felt कि जो मिला ना, I know in my heart this works, and if it doesn't work means then I'm wrong. I'm not deserving to be a director. And that moment really, it felt cinematic to me. But we have had a lot of fun on this film. Like we the minute glycerin आया, रोना धोना आया, this and the other, cut, and we are sitting and we are laughing and joking, and we kept it like a comedy on set.
For me, So this is a privilege I've had multiple times in my career, but I do think that during the making of this film, while shooting a particular scene, I was witness to a moment where a debut actor suddenly fully realized and believed that he truly belonged in front of the camera.